In this video, I'll show you how to change the clock style on the Android 17 lock screen. When you lock your Android device, you'll see the default lock screen clock. If you want to customize the clock style, color, or size, just follow these simple steps. First, tap and hold on an empty space on your home screen. Then tap Wallpaper and Style. Next, swipe to the right to open the lock screen settings. Swipe up to find the clock option and tap on it. Here, you'll see three customization options: Style, Color, and Size. Tap Style to choose the clock design you want for your Android 17 lock screen. To change the clock color, tap Color and select your preferred option. You can also tap Size to choose between a small or large clock for the lock screen. Once you're done customizing, tap the Apply button in the top right corner to save your changes. Now, lock your Android phone and you'll see your new clock style on the lock screen. And that's it. That's how you change the clock style on Android 17. Thanks for watching.